Want to make money online in 2025? Here are 5 proven ways that actually work. In today's digital age, making money online is more accessible than ever. With the rise of remote work and digital platforms, there are countless opportunities, but which ones are actually worth your time? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 legitimate ways to make money online in 2025. No fluff, just real actionable strategies that you can start using today. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing continues to be one of the most reliable ways to make money online. In 2025, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are packed with opportunities for writers, graphic designers, web developers, marketers, and more. According to recent reports, the global freelance workforce is expected to grow by 13% in the next few years. You can set your own rates, choose your clients, and work from anywhere. 2. Affiliate marketing. Sites like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank offer a wide variety of products to promote. According to a report by Statista, the global affiliate marketing industry is projected to reach $12 billion by 2025. The key is to choose products you truly believe in and have a platform to share them with your audience. 3. Creating and selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products has never been easier. Whether it's ebooks, online courses, digital art, or templates, there's a growing demand for digital products in 2025. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it simple to sell your creations. The beauty of digital products is that once you create them, you can sell them over and over without much extra effort. In fact, a survey from Skillshare found that creators who focused on digital goods saw up to 80% of their income coming from repeat customers. 4. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is another way to earn money, especially if you have expertise in a subject. Platforms like VipKid, Chegg Tutors, and OutSchool connect educators with students worldwide. According to a 2024 report by MarketWatch, the online tutoring market is expected to grow by over 25% by 2026. Whether you're teaching English as a second language or offering specialized lessons, online tutoring offers flexible hours and great earning potential. Finally, dropshipping remains a popular way to build an online business without holding inventory. With dropshipping, you sell products through an e-commerce store, but the supplier handles shipping directly to the customer. This means no need for warehouses or stocking up. Platforms like Shopify and Oberlo make it simple to get started. According to Grand View Research, the dropshipping market is expected to reach $557 billion by 2025, making it a viable option for new entrepreneurs. So there you have it. 5 proven ways to make money online in 2025. Whether you're freelancing, marketing products, or running an online business, the opportunities are there if you take the first step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.